Nakakalungkot na limited offer lang tong ramen kasi ito na yung favorite namin sa mga natry namin sa Ippudo. Hey friends, we're back at Ippudo. Ganda pala ng branch nila sa Robinson's Magnolia. So we're here to try their newest offerings, the Yakiniku Ramen and Yakiniku Bun. If you've been watching us for quite some time, you'd know na hindi ako ramen person. I usually find them too rich and too savory, but I'm glad I found another ramen to love. The pork Yakiniku itself is thinly sliced but not too thin. It's tender and flavorful, tapos savory and sweet with a bit of spice. Yung broth naman niya is creamy, rich and savory but not too much na nakakasuya. And this one has Hakata style noodles that I love. We usually wouldn't say no to extra fresh garlic, but this time parang perfect na kasi yung lasa niya, we didn't want to ruin it. Syempre, we also tried the Yakiniku bun. But since we've never tried any of their buns, this trio bun set is perfect. Sarap nung fried chicken bun, favorite ni Lovey. Hindi super crispy yung chicken but definitely tender and juicy. Ako naman enjoyed the pork bun the most. The pork was smoky and tender. Now the Yakiniku bun